My name is Dr. Muhammad Azly. I'm currently still working in the government. Yeah, I came across this Baptist doctors from Instagram. Actually, I was just scrolling through one of my lectures, and then the ad popped up. So I was reading about the disruptive doctors, and I think it was different. I never heard of disruptive doctors. So I give it a try because I've been working in the government for quite some time, and I never get an answer of what I can do. What else is there for me? Is Oita Pistol, Oita Prosper, is that the only life for me with now? So with this costs, I believe that more info fail. My so long question is, yeah. So the biggest takeaway from today's workshop, I think, is knowing my own strengths and knowing my weakness as well. And weakness doesn't necessarily means weakness. You might think it's a weakness, but when we're at the top with other people, you realize that it's actually one of your strengths as well. Yeah, so it really depends on how you see it. And with this workshop also, you can channel that strength to where it is most applicable to you. Well, yeah. Before and after, definitely before this, I was clueless of what else is there out there for me. So now I have a clear pattern, like when I can Google and read more things I never read to Google now. Yeah, and at least now I can have at least one fit at the starting line, passing the starting line. Yeah. No matter who you are in the healthcare system, if you have any doubts, if you are as clueless as me, not knowing where else you can go, if you feel stuck, come. Because definitely you get some answers. You get some answers. Yeah, it gets you going. Definitely.